I walk those roads at break of day, where sunlight used to call your name. Now every step just feels the same. A different sky, a softer pain. The river bends, it flows so slow, like it got nowhere left to go. And in that silence I can feel the things we lost were always real. And I try to hold on to the sound of your voice in the wind, but it don't come around. Still the wind calls you at night, through the fields where we used to lie. I can hear you in the rain sometimes, but I can't bring you back to life. There's a rhythm in the falling rain, like a heartbeat full of quiet pain, and every drop keeps telling me you're just a ghost in memory. I see your shadow in the trees, dancing slow with every breeze, and for a moment you feel near, then disappear like smoke in air. And I know there's no turning around, but your name still lives in the roots underground. Still the wind calls you at night, through the fields where we used to lie. I can feel you in the morning light, but you fade with the rising sky. If love don't die, why does it feel so far away? If time can heal, why am I still here the same? Still the wind calls you at night, through the fields where we used to